7 gone. 8 up to go. Alright, we're 8. I was going to see if I've got any more space. Okay, so you'll see at the end there's some pens and some consent forms. So you guys all fill those consent forms in, grab a name tag thing and do that as well. So take one and pass it down. Actually, just take a stand. Souls about to embark upon 30 minutes of terror, 30 minutes of torture, 30 minutes where I get to be an absolute villain. Right, so we're going to go down the line. What's your name? Where are you from?
Amy, Christchurch, but raised in
Excellent. Did you say you're from Amy? Okay. Let's hear it for Amy. And Runa, can you collect everyone's declarations of we want to see you one day? Cool. You all read them, right? Just sign up blindly.
Blue page.
No? Excellent. Cool. I get there first ball. Right. What's your name? Where are you from? Where? Cool. Welcome. Big round of applause. What's your name? Where are you from?
Christchurch.
Christchurch. Ah, what brought you up here?
Oh, we
Fantastic, thank you for your support. What's your name? Where are you from?
James from Wellington.
Hey, local man. Woo! You can be a bit more enthusiastic, Wellington. They're about to suffer for your amusement, trust me. What's your name? Where are you from, McGon?
My name's Adam from America.
Oh, which part of America? California, the nice part. Excellent. Oh. So this is like winter for you, isn't it? Yeah, fantastic. What's your name? Where are you from?
Izzy from Wellington.
Nice, what a shit. What's your name? Where are you from?
Charlie from Wellington.
Charlie. Wellingtonian name. Where are you from? What's your name?
Sean from Wellington.
Sean from Wellington. All right, let's make some noise. These are our sacrifices to the Chilli gods. Now, you guys, how many of you have had a jalapeno before? Okay? Oh, very good. So this is just to give you an idea of where we stand. Your first round's going to be really easy. Okay? Your first round, so your average jalapeno ranges between 3,000 and 6,000 scoville heat units. You might want to take the number off your voting paper. They're about to the chest. Multiple layers of heat, and I say don't eat the paper. Health and safety first. Right, so we're going to start off nice and simple. 1,000 scoville heat units. It's called the Asian Green. Now, everyone should have a glass of milk in front of them. Aruna, Cam, let's get a glass of milk for everybody. I'm going to tell you the rules of each round. Now, for the first round, just finish the chili. Nice and simple. Eat all the chili, prove that you're finished, go on to the next round. It's simple. Now, if at any stage you want to tap out and say, I'm done, walk away. If you drink a glass of milk, you're out. If you throw up, you're definitely out, because we haven't got any rubbish bags yet. Hopefully we'll have something before you go. So those are the three ways you go out. You can just tap out and say, I'm done. You can reach for the milk and drink the milk and you're out. Or you can throw up, in which case you're out as well. Do you understand how you get eliminated? That's for the basic round. Now, if you guys stick around, if I need to get rid of you, I'll start doing some speed rounds, but I'll let you know when that happens. Do any of you have any health conditions like asthma or heart condition or some sort of stomach ulcer, which means that you shouldn't be doing this? Now, you'd think I wouldn't have to ask that, wouldn't you? Except, we had someone up at Mamas the North who did this, who after 3 rounds went, oh, I might stop, I've got a bit of a heart issue. You know, I've got a myocardium. I was like, get the heck off my stage. Well, imagine the coverage if you died. No such thing as bad publicity. Right, so, it's quite simple. I want to see where the rubbish bags are. Because without them, well, I'm cleaning up, so who cares? Did we get the gummy ones as well? Ooh. Okay. Here we go, it's simple. Pick up the chili in your right hand, whichever hand you choose. 3, 2, 1, go. Eat the chili. Make some noise, These are your chili gladiators. Don't put your hand up and open your mouth till you've swallowed all the chili. I don't want to see you as you masticate. I said masticate, calm down. Cool. Some people can go to the dentist. Just kidding. Everyone all good? Yep, finish. Hold on. Yep, good. How you doing there, Sean? Yep. So we're just waiting on Sean. And that's fine, because right now, it's not a speed test, it's just finish it. Okay? And Sean's smart, because while he's chewing away, everyone else's mouth starts to heat up. Round 1 completed, big round of applause. That was easy, we barely a tingle. Now, the next one, full disclosure, we had someone, after eating this next chili, they went blind for a little while. It was temporary, it's okay, they're perfectly fine now, they see everything pretty good, but no, they're fine. It's just a green jalapeno. It's 5 times hotter than the chili that just had, which was 1,000 Scoville heat units. So if my math is right, it should be 5,000 Scoville heat units. Nothing to write home about. We have put them on our pizzas and our Subway sandwiches all the time. Don't eat the stalk. Okay? It's just not very tasty. So everyone just cut the stalk off now. Take the stalk off so you don't have to worry about it. Okay? Pull it off. There you go. Nice and simple. The stalk has no nutritional value and adds nothing to this competition. Same again. Wait. Jeez. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Eat the chili. Make some noise, Wellington. How's everyone doing? I'm just counting chilies. We all good? Okay, I don't want to be that guy, but you know, we've got to finish by 3:30, so just, you know. I know it's not a speed round, but let's get through the rounds. Let's get through the rounds. Stay in your lane. All good. Everyone happy? No one going blind yet? Look at all that, touch and go. Alright. If you start to feel ill, stop. Because we don't have any rubbish bags. Where are my rubbish bags, Ashley? Ollie, look at some rubbish bags. Anyway, round number 3 is the red jalapeno. We're now jumping up to 8,000 Scoville heat units. Still pretty low. Nothing really nasty. I put these sorts of things in my chilies all the time. You know, this is the meat-based chili that I like to make for Super Bowl and that sort of thing. Again, just take the store cloth. It doesn't add anything to the competition. Take your store cloth, mate. Oh, you done? Have a glass of milk, that'll make you feel better. Hey, big round of applause for James. Consolation prize. Everyone else, 3, 2, 1, eat the chili. Okay, do we have anyone here that's Team Amy? Jump on the bandwagon. Do we have any here that are Team Potter? Just pick someone to cheer for. Team Jordan is out. Ah, say the name 3 times over here. James is gone. Team Adam. There we go, so they're picking the rank outside. Excellent. Team Izzy. Don't move. That's not cool, bro. No, don't try and blame him. I saw you. Team Natalie. And Team Shaw. You feel like the same people in the track are doing, but that's okay, no favourites here. Alright, how's everyone doing? You feeling good? Yeah? Anyone feeling a little shaky? Want to tap out? No? Good. Round number 4, this is the peach habanero. Peach. Who likes peaches? Hey, millions of peaches, peaches for free. Love them. Except when you make them a peach habanero, which is 250,000 Scoville heat units. Bit of a jump for our players here. Oh, Potter's out. Big round of applause for Potter. Wow, they are dropping like flies. Someone bring my puppies and come in home early. Daddy's going to be finished work. Alright, it's quite simple again. Just eat the chili. Once you're finished, open your mouth and your hand up. Okay, 3, 2. Remember today's Dragon Fire Chili is brought to you by Dragon Fire Chili, the #1 in chili in New Zealand. 1. Eat the chili. Make some noise, ARMAGEDDON! For those who are about to humiliate yourselves, we salute you. It's not hot yet? Hey, look, here we go. This is the early favourite. This is the dark horse. How you doing, is it? There's the tough guys in the rugby jerseys or the rugby league jerseys that always seem to get well and then they just fall. But I've got faith. Do they get another hot from in Wellington? No, we think so. Sean, how you doing, mate? I mean, my wife and brother here, I've got to be on this side a little bit. Hoping you do well. Alright, are you all finished? Come on now, come on now. Alright, everybody, both hands up in the air, mouths open, don't wipe your eyes. Don't wipe your eyes. Too late, isn't it? Okay, everyone take 3 big breaths in through their mouth. This is going to activate the saliva glands and ensure that the hot part of the chili is circulating more inside their mouth and attacking that soft tissue and all those membranes in there. Oh, my Kelly! Big round of applause. I'm going to tell you, honestly, I haven't seen this many people quit since, Twitter. I didn't know that joke was going to work, but it did. Alright, we are now on to the red habanero. Oh, the red habanero. 350,000 Scoville heat units. Sean's looking a little bit shaky. Izzy looks a bit uncomfortable. Amy, please stop rubbing your eyes. Has he actually eaten them? Are you seeing this? I think we know who our favourite at the moment, the lead horse is. Right, 3, 2, 1. Eat the chili. Now has a 25% chance good? You feeling good? Yeah, you happy? Excellent, you stick in there. Team Amy! Worst case scenario, you get a bronze medal. You actually get a bronze medal with, just hypothetically. Adam, how you feeling?
Pretty good.
Hey look, just for the camera, show some emotion.
Pretty good.
The range. Team Adam! Oh yeah, you're jumping on the bandwagon now. We'll be in the first round, huh? And of course, Team Izzy! Alright. You guys are all so close to $1,000. It'll be the worst $1,000 apart from Adam that you've ever made. I'm assuming this. I know nothing about their personal lives. The next round is the yellow sequels? Yellows. Oh no, I don't know who's writing this. It's terrible. When they're a doctor in a full life. What the hell does that say? The yellow 7-pot. I don't know why it's called the 7-pot. With Google. Oh, now. Alright, so this one is 800,000 Scoville heat units. Ooh. Close enough. 3, 2, 1. Eat the chili. See, my concern is Adam's going to go from 0 to 1,000 without any warning. 1 minute he's going to be calmly chewing on a chili, next thing he's going to be running chunks into the front audience. Or as I like to call it, the splash zone. So if you've got an umbrella, use it now. Hey, it's just pain. It's just excruciating, mind-numbing pain. Except for Adam, which apparently is just mind-numbing. Big round of applause if we got through to the next round. There are 2 ways to make chilies hotter from their natural state. One is to extract it. That's a little bit excessive. The other one is just to dry them. So our next chili is the ghost pepper. And it's 1 million Scoville heat units. 1 million Scoville heat units. Cool. What are they? Other prices? Count through. I need 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be 5. I need 7 prices. At least. If not, someone else will come. How are we all going? You doing alright, Izzy? Come on, mate. Hey, look, no one ever won $1,000 by not putting a chili in their mouth. That's not entirely true. Yeah, it is. Are you gonna eat it? Okay. Izzy, 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 Izzy. You've only got 30 seconds. Izzy, 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 Izzy. You have the crowd behind you, Izzy. Come on, let us down. You can do it. Put it in your mouth and chew, brother. Up, 3, 2, 1. Eat the chili. Sorry, I forgot that bit. I thought everyone had. So how do we get home? Just out of curiosity. Amy's got friends, family here? Yeah? Alright, cool, excellent. Oh. I heard just watching you. You're doing great. Stick in there. Big round of applause! The first 7 disappeared really quickly, but these 3 are sticking to it. Try the first 5. Right. We're now up to a flavor that you've probably heard of. It's got a very benign, sweet, happy name. It's called the Carolina Reaper. It is 1.5 million Scoville heat units. It has been known to end marriages just by the mention of its name. I don't know if that's true, it just sounded really good in my head. Alright, you can remove the stalk. Let's not be too, I'm a nasty mugger, but I'm not nasty. Well, actually I am, you think my parents were married when I was born, but that's a whole other thing. Right, are you ready? in Chilli! And we're down to the final two. Wait, are you finished? If you do this, you get $1,000. There we go! Big round of applause. Here's what they missed out on. The next one was the yellow Maruga, which is also 1.5 million. Round 10 was the Chilli Jigsaw, 1.6 million. And if we still had two people in there, I was going to give them the Satan's toe. It's a lollipop made from extract. 9 million Scoville heat units. But, because they didn't get that far, what I'm going to do is give you both of those. Congratulations, you get the Satan's toe. This is the cat. Alright, Wellington, as always, it has been an honour and a privilege. Thank you so much for letting us be here and coming and supporting ARMAGEDDon. There's going to be cosplay panel and a cosplay contest. Definitely going to sit around to see not only how a professional does it, but how these amazing people in this spare time